all of you. You know, kasi parang 3 beses ko lang ako maka-attend. And most of you, kayo ko lang nakita. Okay, ladies. Baka hindi kayo maniwala sa sasabihin ko, pero dapat maniwala kayo. You know what? Mula ng grade 1, ako ay sipunin. So all my life, until I discovered what to do, I was very sick. Ang aking listahan ay mahaba. Sa dentistry, kaya ako natigil ng pagiging dentista dahil sa hika. Sinutihan ako ng doktor, Naila, are you a dentist? Yes. Stop being one. No. Mahal na tumulan. No, but yun yung daya. Yun yung daya. Okay? So talaga ang dami. May hika, may asthma, may hika, may high blood, pinagos, may 40s, may vertigo, may migraine, and what else? May hyperacidity. Pero ladies, makinig kayo. And gentlemen, makinig kayo. Please listen to me. Alam niyo ba na meron tinatawag na food as medicine and good news? Hoy, lahat kayo pakinig, meron akong good news for all of you. That health can be regained. Now I am healthier, siguro 80 times healthier than I was when I was 30. Noon, halos talaga umaga ako kumain. Pero ngayon, tingin ko lang, okay akong kumanhan. Okay, ganito lang yan. Hindi mahirap pag ginawa ko. Promise, hindi mahirap. So, ganito ha. This healthy habits, and there are 5 pillars of health. Ano yun? Siyempre, nutrients. And part of that is also hydration. Number 2, sleep. Ano ba? Movement, and emotional, mental health, socialization. Stress management, socialization. Mga kapatid, yung nutrients, huwag kayong mag-alala sa kinain nyo. Sinabihan ako nila, bukas parang kayo mag-umpisa ng healthy. Eh, hindi naman masama yung pagkain nyo eh. Sino magsasabi dito na masama yung kinain nyo? Taas ang kamay. Sino magsasabi dito na unhealthy yung kinain nyo? Taas ang kamay. Ay, bakit wala nagtataas ng kamay? Okay, sino dito magsasabi na yung kinain nyo, eh okay lang? Wala rin. Ano ba? Nakikinig na ba kayo? Okay, girl, ladies and gentlemen, huwag kayo mag-alala sa kinain nyo because this is not really what food you're eating as long as they are not processed. Ano yung processed? Yung mga, sorry ha, pero yung mga hotdog, corned beef, makukulang yan. Mga dilata, hindi na yan. Talagang malabo yan. Pero yung mga pagkain na yan, okay lang yan. As long as we take care of the portions, hindi sobrang dami. That's number 1, ha? Dagdagan nyo lang ang leafy greens and colored vegetables ang plato nyo, okay? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, bibigyan ko kayo ng goal. Bibigyan ko kayo ng goal. Can I give you a goal? Add a bit more of greens and colored vegetables into your plates. Okay ba? Konting dagdag lang, maski 2 kutsara every day. Every meal. Yun. Every meal, every day. Tapos number 2, hydration. Alam niyo ba kayo ng basong tubig sa maghapon? Sa Pilipinas, 12. Warm water. Mababawasan natin yung malapot ng dugo at saka yung blood sugar. So, 2 warm water, first thing in the morning pagising, and then the rest every hour hanggang gabi. Warm water. Okay? Next, movement. Sino dito nag-exercise? Taas ang kamay. Sino nag-exercise? Taas ang kamay. At sino hindi nag-exercise? Taas ang kamay. At sino hindi gumagalaw? Taas ang kamay. Lahat kayo gumagalaw. Okay, good. Perfect. You don't need to exercise talaga makapalisan ng katawan. You just need to move. After you can, let me tell you what to do. Let me tell you mga paano. Diyan sa mga habang mag-upo kayo, and you will be starting to burn the calories that you ate at school. Huwag kayo mag-alala because to be healthy does not mean you have to exert so much effort. Okay? Small changes every day. Okay, next. Sino dito ang natutulog?
Yahoo!
Sino dito makakatulog pa ng 7 hours? 7 hours straight. For our age, 7 to 9 hours pa din ang required sleep. Ito ang gusto nyo marinig ko. Please listen to this. Listen to this, okay? Sa gabi, nagdi-detoxify ang ating brain, ang ating liver, and the different organs. And it happens, this detoxification happens during deep sleep. Okay? So, para hindi tayo magka-Alzheimer, dapat tulog na tayo by 11 p.m. up to 3 a.m. Diyan talaga, nililinis ang brain and liver. Okay? Ngayon, yung mga problema sa tulog, may problema sa pagkain, disconsult me kasi nutrition coach, ang health coach ako, pag-sleep, ina-ano ko rin. Ina-advise ko rin ng sleep. Ano ba? Socialization, emotional health, importante sa akin lahat yan. So, kailangan natin talaga ng friends and family. Yung family natin, mahalin natin sila lahat, no? They should be meaningful. Our relationship should be meaningful with our family members and with our friends. So, socialization and emotional health, stress management, sino dito marunong mag-deep breathing? Deep breathing! Hindi nila alam pa paano yung deep breathing. Ito yun. Hindi, bawal ako. Mataas na ito. You have to inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Don't raise your shoulder. That's to be your diaphragm of exhale. You do it gently, matagal at exhale. Longer exhale than inhale. That will relax you. So kaya yan ang makakatulog talaga. Okay? So actually, kaunti lang naman yung aming message. Bakit ko ba sinabi to? Kasi ayoko na nag-comment na to. Ang pag-usapan lang natin sa bahay. Ang pag-amin. Galing yung classmates. Salamat na kayo sila. Because wala na tayong take away from our 60th year. By the way, from 60, that's the time when so much changes happen in the world. Kaya dapat, isa na natin i-prepare sarili natin para sa changes na yun. Okay? And also have reached 60 already, nag-celebrate na, may senior card na. Sana naman hindi meron yung kinabang ng senior card nyo. Kasi walang ginawa ko, hindi ko pinanahabang listahan ng gabi. So, there is still time. If you can still recover, you know, even at 60, you can regain health. Ask nila lang, i-PM nila lang po, o kaya follow nyo sa Facebook. My page is Doc Chef Myla, okay, on Facebook, or Ria Carmela Academy. So yun, just call me if you need help, and I'm very willing to help you. Give you some tips, coach you if you want coaching. Okay, God bless everyone, and I'm really praying for good health and